Don't make slides like this ever again. Try this instead. Insert shapes and choose rectangle. Copy it 3 times to fill the slide. Give them a different shade of blue. Do the same for the others. Add the letter A. Use the font Montserrat. Increase the size to 150 and make it white. Add your content to the slide. Repeat for the other parts, B, C, and D. Add a small triangle as a tab. Give it the same color. Repeat for the other steps. Group each part together. Make sure the order is correct with A on top and D at the bottom. Duplicate the slide. Move each tab to the left of the slide. Add a nice background color to both slides. Now add the morph transition. And this is how you hook your audience.